What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I just had a quick product review was going to bring to your attention and show you these RIMTHIN LED lights. Now these were sent to me by RIMTHIN and they are replacement LED bulbs for your vehicle. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I am putting them in. Take a look here. This is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma, and the factory Silva bulb is over here on the left, and this is the RIMTHIN LED bulb on the right. And as you can tell, this thing is obviously much brighter, and we have that cool white, I believe it's called. So I am going to go ahead and swap out this other one, and maybe if it gets a little darker, I can show a little bit of a video of what it looks like when it's dark. Alright, I got them both swapped out, and we'll take a look over here toward the woods, and you can see the obviously kind of bright line there where the bulbs are shining. Seem to be pretty bright bulbs. I did notice they do get brighter as you keep them on. Seems like they get a little brighter, but all in all, a decent little upgrade with the LED bulbs. Alright guys, we're inside of my Tacoma here, and I just finished installing those RIMTHIN LED lights, and I'm gonna hit it on and see how bright we are. It looks like it lights it up pretty good. Now my my high beams are still the Silva. And you can see a difference in the color there, but those LEDs do seem pretty bright. Interesting to see how it looks going down the road, but does look like a good improvement to visibility. Alright guys, if you're looking for LED replacements for your vehicle, you may consider the RIMTHIN LED replacement bulbs. I will leave a link down below. Thank you for RIMTHIN for sending these bulbs to me, and we'll see how they play out in the long run. Thanks for watching guys. God bless.